Hey guys, I'm Kavan, and on today's episode of PhotoForge, we're busting out the paint and we're going to be playing with all sorts of different color palettes. Primarily though, I'm going to be focusing on some blues and some purples. I had my friends Sara and Kira come by to help out, so without further ado, let's get started. To begin editing, we're first going to duplicate our base layer and add an unsharp mask. We'll duplicate the layer again, and this time add a blur to the image. Erase the blur from your two subjects, leaving only the background out of focus. To begin coloring, we'll first start with a black and white layer and lower the opacity below 20%. Next, we'll add a selective color layer and focus on the blacks, neutrals, and whites. After that, we'll use the selective color tool several more times, with each individual selective color layer focusing on an individual color. By doing this, we create the purple look in the image. After that, we add a few brightness and contrast layers and a curves layer, and then we're done. Well, that does it for this week's episode. Be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this. And a huge thanks to Sara and Kira for coming out and modeling for the shots. If you want to see more of their work, follow their Instagrams here. And lastly, a huge thanks to our show sponsor, BayPhoto Lab. BayPhoto Lab is the best in photo prints. And the coolest part, if you sign up with BayPhoto Lab using me as your referral, you'll get 25% off your first order. To do this, you just have to click the link in the description below. With that said, I'll see you guys next time.